Hello, and welcome to the NewsRamp Legal Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, ready to guide you through today's most important stories. NewsRamp.com brings you curated business news from top sources, keeping you informed and ahead of the curve. A quick note before we start. This podcast is created using AI and AI voices, but all the news stories are real, and you can find the complete articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Monday evening, August 11th, 2025, and we've got an exciting lineup of legal news waiting for you. So whether you're driving, taking a break, or winding down for the day, let's get right into it. Our first story today is
North Carolina increases minimum car insurance. North Carolina drivers should be aware that the state's minimum coverage requirements for car insurance have increased as of July 1st, 2025. The new minimum insurance coverage amounts are $50,000 per person for bodily injury, $100,000 per accident for bodily injury, and $50,000 for property damage. Additionally, uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage is now mandatory for all liability policies in North Carolina. These changes aim to provide enhanced financial protection for accident victims and drivers in response to rising medical costs and vehicle repair expenses. Auto insurers required a 22.6% insurance rate increase to account for these rising costs. While the increased coverage limits may lead to higher payment amounts for policyholders involved in a collision, especially those hit by an uninsured driver, this additional coverage can be beneficial in severe accidents. For questions about insurance coverage and policy impacts, contact your insurance carrier. The Layton Law Firm, led by Chris Layton, J.D., has been assisting victims of car accidents for over 20 years, providing legal representation for various personal injury claims. Nicolet Law partners with Green Bay Packers first-round pick Matthew Golden. Nicolet Law Accident and Injury Attorneys has partnered with Matthew Golden, the Green Bay Packers first-round pick and standout wide receiver. Known for his speed and leadership, Golden gained national recognition in 2023 at the University of Houston. His impressive performances continued at the University of Texas, solidifying his status as a top NFL prospect. Beyond athletics, Golden is a dedicated family man and community advocate, recently buying back his grandmother's home with part of his signing bonus. Nicolet Law values his dedication and character, reflecting their commitment to every case. This partnership highlights their support for the Green Bay community and Packers fan base, showcasing a winning match of excellence on and off the field.
The Moses firm strengthens commitment to justice for medical malpractice victims in Atlanta. The Moses firm, a prominent Atlanta law firm specializing in medical malpractice cases, reaffirms its dedication to seeking justice for patients and families affected by medical negligence. With a strong record of securing substantial verdicts and settlements, the Moses firm is committed to holding healthcare providers accountable and delivering justice for victims. Their experienced trial attorneys, with a focus on complex medical malpractice cases such as surgical errors and birth injuries, combine legal expertise with a client-first approach. The firm's exclusive dedication to medical malpractice law allows them to leverage medical knowledge and expert networks to build strong cases for their clients. Beyond their courtroom successes, the Moses firm also educates the public on patient safety and legal rights in Georgia. For more information or a free consultation, visit www.themosesfirm.com or call 404-721-05.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Legal Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.